The factory taillights on the F-150s certainly get the job done, but they're a bit boring. So today we're going to give our F-150 a more custom look and some character by installing these smoked LED taillights. These LED taillights are designed to fit the 2015-17 F-150. They feature black housings with a killer LED assembly for the taillights and brake lights, and they're protected by a smoke lens. They're going to directly replace the factory taillights without any modification to give your F-150 a stealthy and aggressive look. For more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. Alright, these taillights are super easy to install. To remove the factory ones, there's two 8mm screws right here. With both screws out, this next part can be a little bit tricky if you've never done this before, but you want to pull the taillight straight back from the truck. Now it's going to be a little tight. You might feel like you're going to break it, but if you pull it straight back, you'll be just fine. Twist the factory bulbs to remove them, and set your factory taillight aside. Leave the reverse light bulb in its socket, but remove the taillight bulb. Grab your new smoked taillight, install the reverse light the same way that you removed it from the factory taillight, but then take the plug, this is for the taillight and brake light, and just plug it in to the OEM socket. And now we can reinstall the taillight. Because LEDs are polar, they will only work one way. So if you plug this taillight in and it doesn't light up, simply pull out the plug, rotate it 180 degrees, plug it back in, and now you can reinstall the taillight. Install the two screws. Now we can do a side-by-side comparison. Here's a side-by-side comparison. Right now we're looking at the factory driver's side taillight. As you can see, it does the job, but it's pretty boring. And here's the passenger side, which is our new smoked LED taillight. Looks a lot more aggressive and a lot more modern too. And this is just the taillight right now. We'll go ahead and hit the brakes so you can see what the brake light looks like. And here's the brake light. We do have aftermarket LED bulbs for the reverse lights, but here's what the reverse light will look like. All right, the LED taillight's looking pretty good. We'll go ahead and install it on the other side. Okay, we got our smoked LED taillights installed in our 2016 F-150, and I'm loving the way they look. I really think it matches the theme really well. I'd say give yourself 15 to 20 minutes to install these, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road. We hope you enjoyed this video. To subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the link right here, and for more videos like this one, check out this playlist.